Hey guys, so today I'm going to be sharing how I built a wireframe design of a mobile app using Figma. Now, this mobile app is called Habal Connect. I'll walk you through the pages mapped out, the thinking behind each one, and how I approach this from a product management point of view. So, if you're working on a product idea or trying to break into product management, this video is definitely for you. So, quick overview. Herbal Connect is a platform that connects users with certified herbal practitioners. So, the goal is to make trusted herbal practitioners more accessible to users through video consultations and educational content. So, as a PM, my role was to define user journey, prioritize features, and work closely with my team to bring this product. So, let me walk you through the design. So, you see that I was able to make 7 pages. Now, I'm using Figma, and Figma at first, I used to think Figma was very difficult. Taking my time watching YouTube videos, I was able to find out that it's not as difficult as I thought it was. Okay, you can see the first page that was designed. Now, this page, this wireframe was designed for new users, right? So that's why you can only see a page to create an account and or use your Google account or your Apple account to continue. So it's very easy to use. You can either just put in your email and continue, or you can sign in with your Google. Now, the second page, as you'd see, the second page, which is our home page, is quite simple. You'd see that this icon is highlighted. And so once you sign up, you'll be taken straight into the home page. And here you can either search if you have anything in mind. It's keyword, you can search keywords, or you can search names of people, and it will bring things that are related to that particular name. You can also see images that talk about the things like images and of articles, right? That once you click here, it can actually take you to the feed. But let's just stay right on track. You also on the homepage, you would see that some consultants, some certified consultants or certified practitioners are highlighted. And so if you actually click on this section, it can take you to the directory, right? And so over here, you can ask your questions, you can post things right on the homepage and even insert images. Okay, so that's what the homepage does. Now, moving on to the next one, which is our feed. So this feed basically would show you what people are posting, images people are posting, articles, and basically per article that is posted, you see likes. You can either like or comment or share, right? So you can either like, comment, or share. I will view people who've liked and people who's commented. Okay, you can also search for whatever articles, whatever things, keyword specific that you want to search. The next page would be our directory page. This directory page, as you would see, has the businesses, the consultants, the certified herbal companies, right? So you see that they are all listed here. You'll also see that they have filter. It can be filtered based on your location and based on the niche, right? Based on your location and based on the niche. You'll also see that some people are verified. So the platform also verifies people, right? So some people have badges and others. So it kind of helps you. Also, some other people 5-star ratings and others don't have 5-star. So this is supposed to help the decision process. Remember, the platform aims to kind of encourage people to look for the best. So definitely people who have 5 stars might get more people to come to them. If you actually click, say we click one of these businesses, right? And this person is in the herbal medicine niche, it will open their business profile. Now, this page highlights a profile picture, their specialization, their rating, their niche, and a little about them. So people can actually message them or can book an appointment, right? So people can actually message them right now, type a text or book an appointment. Okay. So from here, we move on to the next page, which is the messaging. So this is where all of the messages. So because this is a new user, there is no messages, but we actually give them a list of recommended people that they can actually message. But this is where all of the people that you message would actually show up. And so you can continue your conversation with them over here, or you can search for people, other businesses, directories to be able to message them. Okay. So the next one would be the profile page. So this profile page highlights some information about the owner of the profile. So this is Blessing, and she's a CEO of her fashion company. She stays in Lagos, and here she can put in her employment credential, educational credentials, her location, and she can even see basic analytics on the things that she posts, right? And she can also have the opportunity to set her account the way she wants them to be set. So let's look at this from this perspective. So now you're seeing our Herbal Connect on a phone. And so if you click on it, you move on to our homepage, as I showed earlier, and you see the favorites. You can see the last things. If you click on history, you can view the last things you actually did on the app and see the people you're following over there. And if you actually click on feed, it takes you to the feed where you see articles. You can like articles, you can comment on them, and you can share. You can also find people over here. Then if I click on the directory, the Herbal Connect directory, it will give me a list of businesses that are here, showing me the ratings, showing me their badges, and also if I decide to now click on one, it will take me to their business profile where I can see what they specialize in and a little about them. It gives me the opportunity to book an appointment with them or message them. The post icon is giving me the opportunity to make posts, create posts, and put it out there for people to see. And the messaging is where everyone who has messages would come and see. And the profile is where the user would see their accounts, right? So you see the number of followers and the people you're following. You can upload your profile, have a little bio that says who you are, and you can also update your employment credentials. You can add any educational credential. You can tell us where you live, and you can also see basic analytics on the posts you've made, and you can have the opportunity to go and set things a little bit more, personalize your app the way you want it personalized. So as a product manager, I'm always asking the questions: where my users get stuck, what are they trying to do when they get onto this app? The wireframes was about making sure that the journey was clear, smooth, and focused on real user needs, especially for something as sensitive as healthcare. So that's a quick look. If you're actually working on a product or looking to work on a product, I hope this gave you insight. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll be looking forward to hear what you have to say from me. If you're my usual subscribers and you like more of this kind of content, please let me know. See you next time. Bye.